Howdy folks, welcome back to Space Engineers. Today I'm down here in the very bottom of the base and just working on stuff, some catwalks and some lights and whatnot. So today that's what we're going to be doing. I'll show you the elevator here in a second. The drill is still drilling out. I had an elevator in place and it didn't work. It would get stuck and stuff like that. So I've tore it all out. And I'm widening the elevator hole. But in the meantime, I've been trying to get some lights down here, because as you can see with my helmet light off, it's pretty dark back in here. This is the very back corner of the base. So I've been working on various things, catwalk and whatnot. Some lights. And I thought I'd just do an episode of that, just kind of some miscellaneous work. You can see how I've got some super awesome scaffolding here. Yeah, let's get back on the right toolbar. There we go. Kind of clearing the rock around this pillar just so I can weld it. And the idea of this pillar is we're going to hang some lights from it. So I think that's welded all the way across now. It's a little bit hard to tell sometimes. Yeah, looks like it is indeed welded all the way across. Wonderful. So in that case, start tearing down my temporary scaffold. There we are. And then I want to get some lights up there. So how do we get up there? That's a great question. I think I'm going to use these lights. Where are they? I must be staring right at them, but I can't see them. There they are. Hanging light long. That's what we're going to use. And let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We need aluminum plate for that, huh? Okay. Let me empty out some of this stuff. Let's grab a bunch of components for lights. And I want one there. Then I got to get back over here. Easy there, buddy. Stick one there. And these lights are kind of strange. It's a mod. I forget which mod pack it's from, but they actually emit light. You don't even have to build them all the way. But I will anyway. Yeah, I don't think they even change brightness. But I like the look of them. They're kind of a shop light. And let's see, we're gonna have to get some temporary something up here. Yep, that's not gonna work. And get over here. I probably should have left that in place. And get to it. So close. There we are. Got it. First try. Get rid of that. So this is a lot of what I've been doing off camera. Just running around, building stuff, cleaning up the base. So if we take a quick look here, I've got some catwalk all the way back here. And I may end up doing some more, but this just kind of gives me a chance to get up and get around. I was wanting to go across here, but I may have to start from the other side. It doesn't want to hang off of there. There's nothing to hang on to, apparently. Anyway, we can run along here, and I've got some catwalk that goes all the way up to the top of the oil cracker. The oil cracker actually has its own catwalk that you can tie into. Just in case I need to get up here, I might end up putting some lights on there or something like that. And that just goes on up here and hooks into the refinery floor. There's the elevator shaft. It is very tall. Let's go take a quick look at that. I found a nice script. It worked, except the pistons kept getting stuck. So I'm going to move the pistons like out one block. I had the piston right in line with the wall here. Looks like we need to go on down. I'm trying to remember how I get there. I think it's from the other side. I've got like little rat holes everywhere running around. Need to recharge real quick. And I want to take a drink. Get a bite to eat. And we're all charged up. So yeah, I've got these little like rat holes going all over the place because the piston is down here for the elevator, so it has to be quite a bit lower than the bottom floor. So I've got that drill canted over, and it's... Is it all the way down? It might be all the way down. Go take a look. Yeah, it's not quite as far down as I wanted. Be careful walking along here. It'd be quite easy to fall in and die. Not that I've done that. At least not on camera. Come over here and look. Yeah, that is all the way down. So let's go to 27. Let's go down one more block. There it goes. So that'll extend on down. I'm going to try some more things with the elevator. See if I can get it to work. And then once I have something sort of working, I'll do an episode on the elevator. Been a little tough, though. What else we got going on? Been drilling some more ice. Added some more O2H2 generators down at the ice plant just so it could keep up. I'm not sure if I showed this. I can't remember. I've done so much off-camera work, and it's been a while since I recorded. But anywho, this is kind of the backup power. These engines are off. I've got one O2H2 generator, one hydrogen tank. And I should probably set this to stockpile. No? I don't remember exactly what that does. Hopefully that'll stay full. So I've got the two engines here I can fire up if needed. Got this standby hydrogen supply and one lithium battery. I want to add some more lithium batteries. I'm not sure if I've got enough stuff. Let's check and see. Make sure my build planner is clear. So that should be everything but the power cells. We'll put the power cells into production. I did have a bit of lithium. Yeah, because I went out and got some. We got that gold in place, which is nice. Got tons of carbon because I actually filled all my containers with gravel because I forgot the ice drill was set to go down the full depth. So we brought in a ton of rock. Plus the stone from drilling out the elevator shaft. And I just filled everything with gravel. So I set up these two incinerators here. They're off right now. This conveyor sorter is set to bring in, I think, just gravel. Yeah, it's just gravel. And get rid of that. So we got a ton of carbon now, which is good. I just have to watch out for the stone. It starts getting a little full. Well, we are making lithium cells. Let's take a quick look. I think that's in the advanced assembler. Yes. Okay, well, we should have enough because it says it just needs 700. We had at least 700 in one of the containers, and that's times 3 because it's balanced. So it's just going to have to chug through those. It'll take a little while. So I'll finish that off. Then that should be good for backup. You know, a couple batteries, a couple engines for emergency use. But let's get some more lights in here. Still a little bit dark back here, but it was pitch black. I didn't have any lights at all. So let's get some more lights. I think I'll raise up off that and do a similar thing to what I did here. Right, I didn't grab any stuff. Alright, I need to take that off the build planner. Did I pull in lithium? I did. Alright. My bad. I forgot that was on the build planner. Uh-oh. Am I stuck in here? No, we're good. Some of this production overhaul, industrial overhaul stuff, you can just walk right through. Some of it has collisions. So if I remember right, I went up to, did I go up 2 more? Yeah, I went up 2 past the light. I've been putting the lights at 3 blocks up. Now we're getting up here, I can see up into my cargo shaft. That's the big vertical shaft that comes down, feeding all the cargo containers next to the elevator shaft. We need to go that way. Oops, I wanted to try to get up on top of these. Oops. Break on 2 to the other side. It's a song, isn't it? Alright, out of concrete. So this rock is all ugly right now, but we'll get that cleaned up. Still got stuff for the lights. I should probably dump that. But this is kind of what's been going on behind the scenes. Just hours and hours of working on the base. It's kind of hard to turn that into an exciting episode, but I thought I'd do at least one episode of just tinkering around on the base. Oh, unknown signal. I've been checking unknown signals. I still haven't found any food. Like, once I find some food, I can actually grow that food, but I haven't had any luck in the unknown signals finding it for some reason. Ooh, there we are. So we can tie, yeah, we can actually just tie that right into here. That'll work. Let's do a concrete like that. Beautiful. Then I'll hang some lights off there, and I should be able to get to that from the catwalk. I can get down, well, can I get back up there? Come on, ready? There we go. I'll make this prettier at some point. For now, I kind of need to be able to get to things. I get over. Oh, right. This one. I ought to just make that stairs. Would probably make the most sense. I've got several places where these little artifacts hang out. If you know how to get rid of those. I've tried drilling and yeah, it just doesn't work. Let me know in the comments down below if you know of a way to get rid of those. They're kind of annoying. So the catwalk's in the way for these. I'm going to put one there. Probably just... yeah, let's just put like 2 together here. Should I put one over there? Yeah, we can do that. We'll just have it over one. Now, I need to get to that one, which might be a trick. Well, that didn't work. Let's just do this. We'll just build some steel scaffolding. That'll do it. Instead of trying to get fancy. There we go. Now we can kind of see back in here, even without our helmet lights on. So that's not too bad. I need to get some lights over here, and then I need to get up there to weld. I'm not sure how I'm going to pull that off yet. Maybe just some temporary scaffolding off of the top of the oil cracker. Definitely need some lights up there, though. So let's get a few of those put in. Let me just dump all this crap. I have a bunch of materials for lights. And let's head up top. Can I put one in? I can't put one in there. Excellent. Still have that in my copy paste. I'll put one there too. Get some light out this direction. Although, I need to clear out some more rock. Yeah, it is super dark over here. I wanted to put one there and didn't have any way to get to it until now. So, that's better than nothing. But we need some hanging lights off of that, and I need to get up to that and weld it as well. I'm not sure what the best way to do that would be. Maybe come off of here up into the rock. And then do some welding. I could build a temporary floor underneath there. Out of steel, perhaps. While we're here, though, I did make some changes. Some of you might have been wondering. Because what I discovered is some of this stuff, aluminum plate scrap, advanced computers, ceramic, titanium, and medical components, those can't be broken down. That scrap can't be broken down by the smelter. It needs to go into the refinery. So I had to add that to the sorter. So then it can get pulled into the refineries and broken down. So I made that change. I took out the sorter here. I realized it really wasn't needed. Because I have this one way. So that wasn't needed. It was kind of redundant. So that's all working well. It is time to sleep. Get out of here. Come on. Let me out. I was going to show this. I didn't realize it was dark outside. I've been working a little bit on this. This is just the cargo, what are they called? Conveyor tubes. Come over, so I've just been making it start to look more like a base. Okay, good. Both hydrogen tanks are full. I just kind of threw that on there so I could keep an eye on it. This thing is probably reached its max. Yeah, it has. So let me go sleep, and I'll show you how I've been doing the ice drill, and we'll wrap up the episode with that. So I'll be right back. There we go. Slept through the night, and let the time run until about 9 o'clock so we can actually kind of see what's going on. So I have these drills controlled. Come on, turn the lights on. There you go. They're controlled by the timer block stripped. So if the inventory fills up, it'll stop the drills. And then I've also got these pistons set to max. So it basically goes down just through the ice. I don't need the iron ore, at least not right now. So when we're ready to reposition the drill, it's a little bit of a process. It's not very automated, but I'll just come over here. I'm going to turn off that ice drill trigger computer block. And then I can use this to lock the drill rotors, turn off the ice drills, and then these guys, bring those back up. Beautiful. I think I had those on 03. Because there's 3 of them. And actually, I forgot. You turn those off and then reverse, so they're ready to be turned back on by the script. Get my spectator camera down here. So you can see I've been drilling lots of holes. So I think I'm going to extend that out. Drill over there. Would be the goal. So to do that, we need to extend those pistons out. It's a little bit of a trick. So I've got, oh boy, it's hard to, so I've got 4 pistons. So max distance is going to be, doing a little bit of quick math in my head. Let's do that. So let's reverse those. So then all 4 of those pistons are extending out. Could have also retracted that one to move it out. No, that just gets it to the middle, so I need to do like twice that. Yeah, something like that. That should work. And then now I just turn the block back on. It should do its thing. I need to turn the lock off. So now that should do a new circle. And drill down until it hits iron, basically, and stop. Rinse and repeat. And then that script that's running will monitor, it monitors this block of ore containers. So if it does fill up the group, large industrial cargo container ores, I think is there 3 of them? Yeah, so if it fills these up, it'll stop. If it gets to like 90%, something like that, it will stop drilling. And then once it gets below a certain threshold, it'll start again. So I can just let that run. So that's what I do. It just kind of runs in the background, gathers up ice. And the ice will be sticking around because it's not getting turned into hydrogen right now. So we have quite a bit of ice. It's going to fill up fast, isn't it? No, ice isn't super dense. Purified gold ore. How's that not getting... Oh, I think I was experimenting with something and I put that in there. So it couldn't get back through the conveyor. All right, I'll throw that in manually. Before we close, let me just give you a quick show of the English is hard. I've been getting the base finished slowly but surely. This outside is complete except for what's going to be covering up the elevator access. That is all TBD. Started getting most of the front filled in. I kind of have an idea of what I want to do in the corners. Almost going to be kind of a castle look. I've been filling this up a little bit with some frames. So maybe I won't fall in the giant hole. So that's an ongoing project. Got all of this side in. You can see inside here. This is all welded up. So, slowly making progress. Work continues. I'm going to do some more playing around with the elevator, see if I can get that going, because it was pretty cool when it worked, and then it would get stuck, and it was frustrating. But, anywho, thanks as always for watching, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Take care.